Guys, welcome back to Techkibay YouTube channel, the home of technology and money making ideas. Today, I'm gonna teach you guys how you can be making money every day in Nigeria using the dollar arbitrage. So, right here, guys, let's just look at the meaning of arbitrage. Now, guys, this is the real meaning of arbitrage. Many people do not know what arbitrage actually means. They just hear arbitrage, 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 but they seem not to know the real meaning of the word arbitrage. So, right here, this is the first definition says this is the simultaneous buying and selling of securities, currency, or commodities in different markets or in derivative forms in order to take advantage of differing prices for the same asset. Profitable arbitrage opportunities, for example. So the verb says buy and sell assets using arbitrage. Much of the short selling was being done by people who were arbitraging between the bond and the equity market. So if you can understand this very well, this definition actually implies that for example, you're buying a single product. That product has the same value, but different sellers or different merchants, but with different prices. So one of the merchants will actually give you for a lower price, while the other person will give you for a higher price. So the arbitrage here is this: you buy from the lower merchant and sell to the higher um merchants. Like example, not higher merchant, like for if the product has a lot of, so you're not acting like a merchant too, okay? So you buy from a cheaper merchant, then you sell to other people at a higher price depending on the demand of the particular product in different locations or different environments depending on the event. So it can happen anywhere. It can be the same place, it can be different places. You can actually see someone buy from one city to and then reside in another city. So in such a way that is where arbitrage occurs. So guys, here in Nigeria, I want to teach you guys how you can be earning up to $2,000 daily with the dollar arbitrage in Nigeria. So for this, we're going to be needing two apps for it to work. So head over to Play Store and download an app called Paybis. So it says open. I already have the app here, and if you don't have it, you can click the hit the install button, so you can actually download this app into your Android system or your Android phone. So guys, this is the Paybis app. Another place you are going to be looking at, the second app you're going to download is Luno. So these are the two apps we need for this to work out. So I already have it here. I don't need to update, but it will take a lot of my time. But if you don't have it, you can install it into your Android phone. So right here it is, guys. I already have it in my phone. That is Luno. This is Luno. Yeah. So this is what we need for these apps to work. For this arbitrage to work, sorry. This is Luno and this is paybis. So you guys can see here, a BTC is equivalent to 17,853,580.35 naira. That is a value of 1 BTC in Nigeria currency when you make use of paybis. Then if you come to sorry, my keyboard is not working. It's not working out. It seems not a worker. Okay, let's use the facial confirmation. All right, that is it. So when it comes to the Lunar app, you can see that a BTC is equivalent to 24,864,999 NGN in Nigerian currency for one Bitcoin. Then if you see the dollar equivalent, this here is 42,902. Same here is 42,800. It's slightly different, but kind of the same thing. Okay, kind of the same value. But that's not going to be making use of. We're not going to be using a naira, the naira equivalent of a Bitcoin. So right here, you can see that here it is 17 million, and here it is 24 million. So you can see the difference. So right here, this is where the arbitrage is going to occur. So if you have downloaded this paybis app, kindly register and verify your account. I haven't logged in here actually, but I'm already logged in online, sure. So I think I'll be making use of my online login. Oh, don't worry, guys. Let me use the app so that you guys can understand what I mean actually. Just give it some seconds so you can access your browser so you can check your browser before accessing paybis.com. So that is done with the check, and we are about to log in. So right here, I input this email address. I use this email address as a login email address. Then I go to my mailbox to check for that mail. Okay. Alright, guys, that is it. So the login here is the login here is 396 398 396 398 396 398. Oh, guys, it didn't work out. It didn't work out. So I think how to use I'll try it again though. Let's try it again. Yeah, I'm waiting for the second mail to arrive so we can know the next step. Let me check my spam. It's not here. It's not my primary. Let's just. Well, guys, let me just use the online. Let me just use the online version. I think it's gonna be much better for us. Yeah. Okay. You see something. If you use the online version of the app, still same platform, same paybis. So it's still gonna give you the same procedure, the same process of everything. 129144. 129144. Alright. Let's show it. Okay, now it logs in, okay? It logs in. Yeah, it worked out here. Before I continue, guys, kindly hit the subscribe button below, like and share this video. Please don't fail to do that so you can motivate me more to do more videos for you guys. Alright, after you must have logged into your paybase account, guys, then let's check for the exchange rates of Bitcoin and Naira. So right here, let's check for Naira first. NGN. So you put one here as a Bitcoin, as for one Bitcoin, and so you can see the Naira rate. Okay. So they say we're going to receive, what you receive is 17 million NG. If you look on that beneath the Bitcoin box, you see 17 million, which was the rate we saw in the app. Then for this one, the one for the NGM box, You notice this one, this is the one you spend. That means after they must have added their fees and everything, the total cost you're going to pay, then that is what you're going to pay them, okay? Before we now receive this 17 million for one BTC. Don't look at this, guys, because the rate they're going to charge us for Naira is going to be very, very, very low. So for us to know how much they charge per dollar, what we're going to do is this. We write down, for the one for the money we're going to receive, which is 17.8 million, you know, we're going to write it down. So let's just copy it. This is the money we're going to receive into our Luno wallet. Now I now paste it here. And at 70 million, I now put um divided by the total USD you're going to receive. Now I change the currency to USD. The total USD we're going to receive is 42,000. So we still copy it and paste it here. So you guys can see that. Write it down somewhere. Write it down somewhere. These people will pay me, they charge 416 naira per dollar. What the charge is 416 naira per dollar. Now let's go to Luno. We're gonna write this one down too, since there is no way for me to copy, from Luno app. So what we're going to do is we clear here. Make sure you write this 416 down. Okay, we clear here. Then put the amount for Bitcoin per NGN 24,000 for 24 million. 24 million. Sorry, it locks. Okay, let me try to unlock my phone. Let me use the facial confirm. All right, 24 million 840,000 451 naira. 451 naira. Then divided by the total value for one Bitcoin in dollars, which is 42,900. 42,900. Oh my god, 579 naira per dollar. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Paybis, yeah, I still have I should have this thing here with me. Look at the 579 naira, 579 naira per US dollars. So if you should check the history, you guys can see it here. 416 naira for paybis rate and 579 naira for the lunar rate. You can be making a lot of money. Oh my god. So guys, now go back to paybis. So right here, the maximum you can buy per transaction is 20,000 USD. You can't go above this. So we now go back to NGN, the Nigerian Naira. Now we have seen the rate and how much you can be getting whenever you buy you buy one Bitcoin. So let's calculate how much you're going to make. Let's just calculate how much you're going to make whenever you sell one Bitcoin. Whenever you receive one Bitcoin from paybis and sell it on Luno Exchange. So Luno Exchange is 24 million 840,451. 840,451. Then you minus it from here, the money we received from paybis. You paste it here. Oh my god. We are going to be earning 6 million naira. 6 million naira for buying one Bitcoin. Oh my god. You guys should see a lot of money here. A lot of money here. A lot of money here. Just for buying one single Bitcoin in Nigeria. You're getting 6 million. It will not take more than 30 minutes. Oh my god. To make money is easy. Just the knowledge is the fact. So that is it. This is the profit you're gonna make per Bitcoin we sell on this exchange, or if you perform an arbitrage, we're gonna earn 6.9 million naira. So what to do here is this. Let's say they are their limit is 8 million. Okay, so let's say we want to buy 5 million naira worth of Bitcoin. Yeah, this is 5 million naira worth of Bitcoin, which is 0.2 Bitcoin. Okay, then we now say buy. So what you guys should do is this: if you want to buy, you go to your Luno, you go to Luno wallet, you go to wallets. Oh my God, I don't have any money here. If you guys are willing, you can send me money. I've actually withdrawn all my money. Okay, so you now click. I don't want to open my history for you guys not to see. If you want to send me Bitcoin, look at my wallet address. Look at my wallet address, guys. Send me Bitcoin. I'll be happy if you guys can send me Bitcoin. Yeah, look at it. You can copy it. If you want me to send it to you, just hit me up. Hit me up, guys. If you want me to send my Bitcoin wallet address, so you can send me some Bitcoin. So back to business. Back to business. So you copy it and you go to your paybis account. You paste it here and continue. Alright, boom. You put your card information here. Put the card information here. I actually taught you guys how to get a visual card, or if you that means that's for those who don't have a physical card. You can actually go to some online platforms or fintechs that provide you with virtual dollar cards or naira cards. So yes, you can use them to purchase the Bitcoin from paybis. Then when you must have completed putting your card details here, when you must have completed your card details here, then you click on pay. You click on pay, and after the system must have verified your transaction and everything, you will definitely receive your Bitcoin into your Luno wallet address or into your Luno wallet. Guys, this is it. This is it. This is how a lot of people are making money. This is how a lot of people are making money, and I want you guys to testify. I want you guys to be my testimony. I want you guys to really testify of this arbitrage, and I believe it's really gonna work out for you. I love you all, guys. I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time. And don't forget, I'll be releasing a video soon on how you can sell your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies on Luno without having to pay any fee. See you next time.